Welcome to our live show. I'm your host Ilya, and I'm from ITOP Kitchen companies. And our company is a professional manufacturer of kitchen machines with more than 10 years experience. We are committed to creating high quality products for our customers. Now I will be taking you all with me to see our news and classic items. First, I will show you our first product is this coffee grinder. You can see this coffee grinder is one of our best sellers, and this one you can see here. The bean hopper is about 1 liter in capacity, and it supports 220 volts and 110 volts. And here you can see this power switch. It has 2 modes. One is automatic mode and another is manual mode. And here, look here. This is the scale for adjusting the coffee bean ground, the signals, and here it has a small part. When you press it down, you can turn it to slowly turn right or turn left, and adjust the coffee powder signals. Okay, now I will show you how to use this coffee grinder. First step, we need to put it on the power. And then before we open this switch, we need to check the scale. We adjust the scale until you hear the fraction of fluted disc is okay. And then you need to turn back 0.5 centimeters like this, and then turn off the switch. Now we can put into some coffee beans in it. And then you can see here it has a small part. When we start working, we need to pull it out like this, and then we turn on the menu switch. Okay, it's ground on coffee bean powder. This is the scale of 1. This is the coffee powder ground on scale of 1. And it looks very fun. And then I will show you other signals. And press this part. Adjust the scale to 7. Okay. And turn on the switch. You can see this is the coffee powder ground on scale of 7. It looks coarse than the last one. It's very easy to use, right? And I next show you how to use the automatic. Put down and adjust the scale to 13. And then turn on the switch, and you need to put it in it. It will work like this. This coffee powder ground on the scale of 13. Okay, you can compare these 3 coffee powder. The signal is different. When you turn the scale right wall, it will be coarse, and when you turn the scale left road, it will be fine. Okay, now I will introduce the next similar one.